Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today we're going to do these beautiful white Dollar Tree swags using two of the Dollar Trees. I call them Charlie Brown trees. So you're going to need several items for this. You're going to need some reindeer from Dollar General, some bells from Dollar General or Dollar Tree, some um, ribbon, two different sides, some picks. I got those from Dollar Tree. Berries, those came from Dollar General. Um, some wire, Dollar Tree or wherever. Some silver tape, some scissors, hot glue sticks, some a black marker, some white paint, a paintbrush, and gold bells and the mirror mosaic bells. So that's the items you're going to need, and then it's self-explanatory. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the 6th day of Christmas. By the way, fam, we made two of these. They're going on either side of the fireplace in the family room, and I think they're going to look very pretty with the decor that I have lined up for the room. And guys, you'll understand why I put that um, silver tape there and towards the end. But yes, all it is, you're going to fluff the trees out, and then you're going to decorate them in your fashion and the way you want them done. All the bristles or limbs is on one side, so you can have a flat surface on the back. So fam, I hope you enjoyed these white swags for the 6th day of Christmas and decide to make some for yourself. And I want you to know I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again. I am a glam girl and proud of it, and I hope that you are one too.